Hi, welcome to RTL Online Trainings. So today we are going to launch another self-paced training course in Oracle Fusion HCM US Payroll implementation. So if somebody would like to go for be a master in Oracle Fusion HCM US Payroll, this is the right course for you. Yourself, you can enroll and you can go for learn complete setups. Complete end-to-end setups, and you will be able to perform after completion of this course as an independent consultant in Fusion HCM as a payroll consultant. So let's log into the RTL online trainings and let's see what's the syllabus here. So you need to, once you enter rtlonlinetraining.com, you will be diverted into this particular URL here, and you can go for log into the applications here, and you can go for register yourself. And this is the course which we are launching today, and this is Oracle Fusion US Payroll implementation. If you are already working in Oracle Fusion HCM, and if you have some basic idea about the global HR and you want to be a master in the payroll, especially US payroll, and you would like to be an implementation consultant in the payroll, this is the right course for your self-paced trainings. And it's going to be $40, and it comes around 2,500 rupees or 3,000 it comes. And you can go for enroll for the course here. And here is the course curriculum. And I have given the permission to go through the previews of this course, how you can go for add the earning elements and deductions and what is the complete payroll cycle. It's around 80 minutes session you will find inside of this particular chapter. And after that, you will be able to find another preview. It's around 45 minutes. It's a payroll interview questions in case if you want to clear the interview in payroll module, then what exactly. And of course, we'll be keep on adding. It's not like this is a fixed syllabus. As soon as we are working and our team is working in the real-time environment with real-time issues, the moment when we feel that this particular concept or this particular issues are newly introduced or cleared by Oracle in the latest versions, we'll go for keep on adding that into our course. Okay. And as a subscriber of RTL and as a student of RTL, you will be able to learn more things going forward. Here it is. Okay. And in the first session, you will be able to know that what is Oracle Cloud and what are the prerequisites to learn this payroll. That you will be clear. It's going to be around 30 minutes session. Then you will find payroll concepts. It's around 35 minutes, and then we'll start working with the payroll. We'll be configuring from the scratch legislative data groups, legal employer, payroll statutory units, and tax reporting units. It's a purely US payroll we'll be discussing, and how we can configure the business units and ledgers. Then we'll enter into the payroll definitions and methods, where we'll work with the bank accounts and payment methods. It's around 1 hour session. Configuration of value sets and flux fields. It's going to be around more than 1 hour, and it's payroll definitions, offset details we'll be discussing here. And then the actual payroll. We know that payroll means everybody knows that two things. One is elements, another one is fast formulas. These two things we have concentrated more on this, especially on elements and as well as on the fast formulas. Okay. When we come back to our element classifications, if we talk about the elements over here, we'll be discussing about first element classifications. What are different types of classifications we have, and how we can go for work with the elements before we configure an elements and before we start creating the elements. We'll just have an idea about earning elements and deductions and what is element eligibility. We'll be discussing about this, and after that we'll be having the salary basis and how the elements will be assigned for our employees. hire employee and attach payroll and elements, hire multiple employees and execute the payroll, and execute standard payroll, and how we can go for generate the pay slips. The entire process, payroll flows, we'll be discussing. And we have different types of payroll processes, like quick pay, and how we can go for rollback the payroll, and how we can go for configure the proration events, especially when we talk about the retro pay elements, that all will be discussing. And the major part in the payroll we will be talking about here is an let me extract this, is about fast formulas. So how we can go for configure the fast formulas. We'll be discussing from the basics about fast formulas, how to create payroll fast formulas and execute. We added a couple of payroll fast formulas like element entry, input validations, and how we can go for percentage of fast formulas. And we will be going to add a few more things. It's around 20 hours of complete payroll. You never find in any of other institution or self-paced trainings having 20 hours exclusively on US payroll, exclusively on US payroll. And we are here ready to go for post or add some more advanced concepts in US payroll implementation setups and going forward. So at this point of time, we are come up with this particular course. And if you are already in Oracle Fusion HCM and you would like to be a very good payroll implementation consultant, and you want to be a master in US payroll, then I can suggest you to go ahead with this particular course, and it will make you perfect. Okay, so I hope you will be satisfied and you will enjoy this course by enrollment and going through and do the practice here. And click this button, enroll in course. You'll be directed to the payments page. There you can go ahead with this picking the payments. You have multiple options to go ahead with the credit card and to go ahead with PayPal, and also you have the option for Google Pay. So multiple options you have over here it is. Okay, so we are in the planning of launching some more courses. Like this is our second course. We did global HR in our previous session and previous meetings. It was very successful, huge response from the students, and now we are here in the payroll. We are in the mode of complete payroll configuration setups. Okay, and I request everyone, please subscribe to our YouTube channel also to get latest updates about our RTL online trainings here. This is our YouTube channel, which is having RTL online trainings. 4,630 subscribers so far. And we are in exclusively Oracle Fusion applications, extensively providing the courses to our applicants all over the world. And we are ready to provide the best of our Fusion Cloud courses. Okay, thank you. Let's go ahead with Fusion Cloud US Payroll implementation and enjoy the course. Thank you.